Hi friends, this is Dave from JavaCodeJunkie.com and welcome back to another JavaFX video tutorial. In this episode we're going to learn about WindowEvents. WindowEvent is a subclass of the JavaFX Event class, and it defines all events related to showing, hiding, and closing windows in JavaFX. Let's have a quick look at the Javadoc for the WindowEvent class. This is the Javadoc for the WindowEvent class. In the field summary section, if we scroll down, we'll see a listing of all of the different subtypes of the WindowEvent class. We have any, which is the supertype, and that encompasses all of the WindowEvent types. We have a window close request, and that's delivered to a window when there is an external request to close that window. For example, if someone clicks on the X in the upper right-hand corner of our window. And we have four other window event subtypes: so window hidden, hiding, showing, and shown. Let's go to our Eclipse IDE, where I've already created a new project called WindowEvents. And in this project, I have a main view class. And as you can see, all that we have here is the ability to display a stage. I'll run the program, and you'll see that we have a simple stage with a title. Listening for a window event is the same as attaching event handler code for any other type of event in JavaFX. Let's add an event handler to the stage to listen for the window events. Stage.add event handler. The event type is WindowEvent. Any. I'm going to listen for all window events in this handler. And again, I'll create an anonymous inner class. New event handler. WindowEvent. We'll import the event handler class, and we'll add the unimplemented method. And in this method, I'll simply print the event type to the console. Sysout event.get event type. Run. You'll see that now when our stage displays, we already have two window events that have been generated. We have a window showing event that's generated before the window is shown, and we have a window shown event that's generated after the window is shown. So we can attach code during the startup of our program if we so desire, so that we can do whatever we need to be done, and that's purely within the context of your own applications. If now we try to close the window, we should get the other three window event types. We'll see the window close request, we'll see the window hiding, and the window hidden. So click X. This is the general order of window events during startup, processing, and then shutdown. Of course, the window hiding and hidden can be generated within the context of your application while the program is running if you want to hide and redisplay windows programmatically. In addition to adding an event handler to the stage class also provides convenience methods that we can use to listen for specific window events. They all begin with set on. So we have set on close request, set on hidden, on hiding, on showing, and shown methods. And these would listen for those specific types of events. Again, let's listen for the window close event. So set on close request. Again, I'll use an anonymous inner class, new event handler, window event. We'll add the handle method, and we'll just copy and paste the sysout. I'll comment the event handler so that we don't duplicate. Now when I run the program, we'll see that instead of all of the events, we're only going to listen for the window close request. So run. We don't get the window showing or shown events. And when we shut down, we only get the window close request and not any of the other four. Intercepting the window close request is very frequently done to ensure that the user really wants to exit the program. In the handle method, we provide code that displays an alert of some sort to the user, ensuring that they really do want to exit the program. I have some code that I've already written, so I'm just going to copy and paste it in here. It's not complicated. It refers to the alert class that we've already seen in a previous episode. So we create an alert of type confirmation, and we ask the user if they're sure that they want to exit the program. We then show the alert and wait for the user to make a choice. And if the choice is button type.OK, then we'll exit. Otherwise, we simply swallow the event. Let's run. I'll show you how that works. Click on the X to close the program. We'll see our alert that says, are you sure you want to exit the program? If we say cancel, meaning no, we don't, then the program continues to run. So what happens is the event is consumed. If we say yes, we do want to exit the program, then we'll execute the platform.exit, and the program is shut down. And this is how we listen for window events in JavaFX. We attach an event filter or an event handler to the stage object, and we provide code that we want to execute based on the type of window event that we're handling. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any content when I release new videos. Thanks for hanging out again today. I appreciate it. I hope to see you again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep on coding.